Hello everyone. In the dynamic world of digital marketing, affiliate marketing has emerged as a lucrative avenue for individuals and businesses alike. It offers a win-win situation where affiliates earn commissions for promoting products or services, while companies benefit from increased sales and brand exposure. However, promoting affiliate links requires strategic planning and execution to yield significant results. In this article, we'll explore 10 proven strategies to promote affiliate links effectively. 1. Choose the right affiliate programs. Begin by selecting affiliate programs that align with your niche and target audience. Consider factors such as commission rates, cookie duration, product quality, and the reputation of the affiliate network or program. Focus on promoting products or services that you genuinely believe in, as authenticity can significantly impact your promotional efforts. 2. Create valuable content. Content is king in the digital realm. Develop high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This could include blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts. Share informative and engaging content that addresses the pain points of your audience and subtly integrates affiliate links where relevant. Avoid being overly promotional, as it can turn off your audience. WQW1 #123 SSDSQ. 3. Optimize SEO for organic traffic. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to enhance the visibility of your content. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords with decent search volume and low competition. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content, including titles, meta descriptions, headings, and throughout the body. Optimize images, improve page loading speed, and focus on creating user-friendly experiences to attract organic traffic. 4. Utilize email marketing. Leverage the power of email marketing to nurture relationships with your audience and promote affiliate products. Build an email list by offering valuable incentives such as discounts, webinars, or exclusive content. Segment your email list based on interests and preferences to deliver targeted promotions. Craft compelling email campaigns that highlight the benefits of the affiliate products and include clear call to action, CTA, buttons or links. 5. Engage with social media. Social media platforms are valuable channels for promoting affiliate links and engaging with your audience. Create dedicated social media profiles or pages for your affiliate marketing efforts. Share relevant content, engage with followers through comments and messages, and participate in relevant communities or groups. Use visually appealing graphics, videos, and compelling captions to capture attention and drive clicks to your affiliate links. 6. Harness the power of influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers who have a significant following in your niche. Partnering with influencers can expand your reach, build credibility, and drive conversions. Identify influencers whose audience aligns with your target demographic and negotiate mutually beneficial partnerships. Provide influencers with promotional materials, discount codes, or exclusive offers to incentivize their audience to click on your affiliate links. 7. Offer incentives and discounts. Encourage conversions by offering incentives such as discounts, bonuses, or limited-time offers to your audience. Highlight these incentives in your promotional content to create a sense of urgency and encourage immediate action. Exclusive deals or bundles can entice potential customers to make a purchase through your affiliate links rather than directly from the company's website. 8. Create comparison and review content. Produce in-depth comparison guides and product reviews that help your audience make informed purchasing decisions. Compare different products or services within your niche, highlighting their features, benefits, pros, and cons. Incorporate your affiliate links strategically within the content, ensuring transparency about your affiliate partnerships. Authentic and unbiased reviews can build trust with your audience and increase click-through rates. 9. Utilize paid advertising strategically. Consider investing in paid advertising channels such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or native advertising platforms to promote your affiliate links. Develop targeted ad campaigns based on audience demographics, interests, and behaviors. Use compelling ad copy, eye-catching visuals, and persuasive CTAs to drive clicks and conversions. Monitor and optimize your ad campaigns regularly to maximize ROI and ensure compliance with affiliate program policies. 10. Track and analyze performance. Utilize tracking tools and analytics to monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing campaigns. Track metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, earnings per click, EPC, and return on investment, ROI. Identify top-performing strategies and optimize underperforming ones to improve overall results. A data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions and refine your promotional efforts for maximum impact. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing in a practical way, I recommend that you visit the link in the description where you will find this complete training.